Our left drain board 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, be 50.5 inches. Depth of 21.5 inches. And height of 43 inches tall. Height minus the splash will be 36 inches. 3 compartments, with each compartment measuring 12 inches in length, 16 inches in depth, and height of 10 inches. Measurements apply for the first, middle, and third bay. Included for each compartment be the strainer and stop, along with the faucet with the left and right mount measuring 9 inches and the swivel head spout measuring 10 inches. Coming to the left will be the drain board, which measures 10 inches in length by 18 inches in depth. And located is the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.